Welcome to Unskooler, India's leading e-learning platform. So now we'd go on to the next chapter of History Class 6, Buildings, Paintings and Books, all about the development of different, buildings, be it the temples, be it the stupas, be it the coming of paintings which were coming on into the scene, and the kind of books like Puranas and different books which were built which was published at that time, the manuscripts, all that kind of things which came in and gives us a lot of information about the kind of administration, the kings, the kingdoms, all are the biggest sources of information. So we start with the kind of the buildings which were built at that time. Like we talk about the iron pillar at Mehrauli, Delhi. Okay, one of the most important pillar, and it is like 7.2 meters high, weighs around 3 tons, and this was built like 1500 years ago. Okay, and the name which is inscribed on this pillar was Chandra, and he was from the Gupta dynasty. So very important is the iron pillar, and it's been like so many years. Like imagine 15,000, that is 1500 years ago, but still it has not rusted. In spite of the rains and all that which is coming on, and all that which has sustained, it has still not rusted. The chart shows the kind of work, the kind of craftsperson which existed in India at that particular point of time. And then there were buildings which are built of bricks and stones. Like there's a mention of stupas. It's kind of a moon, a dome-like structure. You must have heard about the Sachi stupa. So at the center, there's a small box which is containing of the bodily remains of Buddhas, people who were worshipped, and then or things they used, maybe stone beads or the precious stones.